So as we know that cell is made up of cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. So we are going to discuss about cytoplasm and nucleus. As in this diagram, you can easily see the structure of a cell, which include the outer membrane called cell membrane. The outer membrane called cell membrane. The semi-fluid present inside the cell, that is cytoplasm, and here a spherical mass is present inside the cytoplasm. This mass is known as nucleus. It mostly controls the many activities of a cell. So, a cytoplasm is a semi-fluid, or we can say semi-liquid substance present inside the cell. It is a colorless and occupies most part of the cell. Many chemical reactions takes place in the cytoplasm, and living cytoplasm is always in a state of some movement. So what happens in a cell? A semi-fluid substance is present inside that cell, that is known as cytoplasm. It is colorless and occupies most part of the cell. Many chemical reactions, we can say catabolic reactions or anabolic reactions, all metabolic reactions takes place in the cytoplasm. So whenever in a cell cytoplasm is present and it has some movement, that movement has a name, that is called cyclosis. If a cell is moving, that we can say that it is in living state. So living cytoplasm is always in a state of some movement, and that movement we say that is cyclosis movement. Now what happens that we have few terms related to cytoplasm. So here are the terms. The one is cytoplasm. Another term we have protoplasm, and another term that we have is cytosol, and another term we have is cyclosis. So what happens? The movement of the cytoplasm. Suppose this is a cell here. It is nucleus, and the semi-fluid present inside this is cytosol. So the movement of the cytoplasm here is known as cyclosis. Now the term is cytoplasm. So inside a cell, the fluid present inside the cell, which is semi-fluid, it is cytoplasm, and it also include cell organelles, but it does not include nucleus. That is the term cytoplasm. So we can say that all content present inside a cell except nucleus, that is the semi-fluid plus the cell organelles which are present inside the cell, is known as cytoplasm. Now another term is protoplasm. So the term protoplasm was given by Purkinje. The scientist named Purkinje gave the term protoplasm. What does that protoplasm mean? So protoplasm include cytoplasm and nucleus. When both cytoplasm and nucleus are involved in a cell, then we use the term protoplasm. Now another term we have cytosol. What is cytosol? Cytosol is the fluid present surrounding the vacuoles. As suppose this is cell, here is nucleus, and there are many small organelles. Organelles are present surrounding these organelles. Some substance, or we can say fluid, is present. That fluid is known as cytosol. Okay. Now let's see. In this diagram, as we can see here, cytosol is present. Cytosol, the substance which is present surrounding the organelles, we can say. And another term is cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, we include all the substance inside the cell except nucleus. As we are including here cell organelles, we are including here cytosol, but we are not including nucleus. But whenever cytosol and nucleus, here you can see nucleus, nucleus, these are included, then we use the term protoplasm. And the term protoplasm was first of all given by the scientist named Purkinje. Purkinje was the first one who used the term protoplasm. Now, here a structure is also present besides the cell membrane. So as we know that in a cell,